Welcome to Yoga Basics. Yoga is such a big upgrade to your daily life, giving you soft stretches, slow and conscious movements, and is such a nice way to connect to your body, to the present moment, and of course to yourself. To get to know all the basic movements, we created a 7-day program where you learn everything to get this yoga journey started. You will get 7 different flows. Every flow focuses on a different type of asanas, so you get a deeper understanding of how they work, how they're affected, and of course, how they're rightly aligned. At the end of this 7-day journey, we created a nice and creative flow to bring all your knowing and all those different types of asanas together. So everything you need is a mat and time for yourself to get this journey started. So hop on the mat and let's start right now.